Hello, I'm Lily, Nichakant thiengburanatham.
And I'm Sirakant thiengburanatham.
And today we are going to do experiments about testing the pH of toothpaste that is sold in a convenience store and provided in a hotel in Thailand. Let's start with the introductions. Oral health is crucial to a human life and is not only served as a pathway of food consumption but also for breathing. The accumulations of food debris in our mouth can lead to a bacterial growth, which is one of the primary causes of a bad breath and gum inflammations, tooth decay, and other oral diseases. When food debris remain on teeth, bacteria use it as a resource of energy to produce more acid. This acid dissolves calcium from the tooth surface. On the other hand, if saliva is slightly alkaline, there is a higher tendency of tartar build-up. This is because calcium in saliva can precipitate from a tartar. In a healthy human's mouth, the pH typically ranges between 6.3 to 7.0, which is considered mildly acidic. A pH that is below than 5.5 is harmful to teeth, as it can lead to a demineralization to loss of minerals from tooth enamel. This environment allows various types of bacteria to thrive, including Streptococcus mutans, a primary cause of tooth decays. Selecting toothpaste that suit your oral health need is essential. This can be done by reading the product's information provided on the toothpaste box or tube. A survey found that the toothpaste provided in hotel often lack detailed product information on the toothpaste or provide incomplete detail. And this is our research methods. First, let's start with the material, equipment, and tools. Now, let's start with the sample preparations. Let's start with our experimental procedure. First, we have to squeeze a toothpaste onto a spoon and transfer it into a test cup. Add water at a ratio of 1 gram of toothpaste to 3 milliliters of water. And the mass of the spoon is 0.75 grams. Next, we have another ratio. Add a ratio of 2 grams of toothpaste to 3 milliliters of water. And the mass of the spoon is 2.61. Now, we have to stir until the toothpaste is fully dissolved. Ensure the solution is prepared at room temperature. Now, we have to dip the pH test strip into the toothpaste solutions for 2 to 3 seconds. And then we have to remove the test strip from the solutions and wait it for 10 seconds to allow the color to develop. Now, when we wait until the 10 seconds, we have to compare the color on the test strip with the pH scale provided on the box. Assess the pH value and record the result. Compare the experimental result of both ratios to determine the average pH value. Now, let's do it, our results and discussion. Toothpaste purchased from a convenience store includes a total of 17 brands. Each brand provides details such as the toothpaste formula, key ingredients, quantity, registration number, production dates, manufacturing locations, usage instructions, and warning, all specified on the tube and on the box. And among the 8 samples of toothpaste provided in a hotel, we found that 4 samples specifying the brand name, key ingredients, registrations, number, production date, manufacturing locations, and quantity on the tube. And just only 1 sample indicates that it was fluoride and herbal toothpaste. And the remaining 4 samples of toothpaste from hotel were found that did not list on the key ingredients on the tube. In the pH testing of 25 toothpaste samples, across the both ratios, we found that all toothpaste sample has a neutral to alkaline pH rate of 7 to 10. 12 sample has a pH of 8, followed by 7 sample with a pH of 7. And 4 sample with a pH of 9, and 2 sample with a pH of 10. The concentration of the toothpaste solutions has no effects on a pH change. The toothpaste provided in hotel is all the cream type and has a neutral to slightly alkaline pH rate of 7 to 8. From the 17 samples of a toothpaste that is sold in convenience stores, the toothpaste is divided on 6 types: fluoride containing, sensitivity relief, whitening, soft containing, herbal, and a children's toothpaste. Most of the 11 samples, were fluoride containing, followed by 8 is herbal samples, and sensitivity relief 3 samples, 2 whitening samples, and 1 each for salt containing and a children's toothpaste. And the most common toothpaste type is a cream type, as it is widely preferred and popular among consumers. And the next most common type is a gel type. It has a fine textures and is safe for tooth enamel. And the least common toothpaste type is a powder type of toothpaste. It has a crossed textures and may cause enamel erosions if you use improperly or over a long period. Now, it's our conclusions. From the experimental results, it can be concluded that the toothpaste that is sold in a convenience store and the toothpaste that is provided in hotel in Thailand have a pH level within a safe range for use. But, however, the most important factors are proper brushing techniques, using a dental floss, avoid strategy sugary foods, and visit a dentist every 6 months or at least once a year for optimal oral and dental health. Thank you สวัสดีค่ะ